Hi from Savoca, the Godfather village, and those bloody Normans have been here too. So let's take a tour and see what this cute little place has to offer. Convento dei Cappuccini is a convent for nuns with catacombs holding mummies of important people old Savoca times, like lawyers, poets and politicians. The sign said to ring the bell and someone opens up to see the mummies, but no one opened. Then there was a number to call. I called, but no one wanted to come and open up. Well, this is typical Sicily. Well, opening hours are anyways from 9 to 18, but check always online. I've been here before and it is a place to visit. The mummies are kept very well. Savoca is famous for the Godfather trilogy, the Bar Vitelli, where he asked to marry his Sicilian wife, and the church where the wedding took place. Some film scenes are also filmed in Forza d'Agro, which will be the next video, and we will walk the Godfather wedding walk up to the church. Savoca has 1,700 inhabitants and sadly depopulating. First signs of the Normans, the Savoca city gate. There were two city gates, but one has fallen. Gates open at sunrise and closed at sunset. Church of San Niccolò is also called the Church of Santa Lucia, for Vikings also Freya. Santa Lucia is celebrated every second week of August. Church is also famous for the Godfather wedding between Michael and Apollonia. Construction started 1200, but current version is from 1700. Working class people were buried inside the church. Therefore, it has also crypts.